Hello all. I'm Kavi, Jolita's mom. Jolita is 7 years old. She's studying in KTN online school in class 2, in grade 2. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers, admin, and non-teaching volunteers for your wonderful work. Because doing something for the welfare of others without any personal benefit is really a very great service. Mm. When my daughter was around 4 or 5 years, I started worrying about her education because we are here in South Korea, in Daegu, and her education system. I was very worried because the Indian education system and Korean education system is totally different, and she is going to Korean school, not to international school. So her English level, be it her English or her maths and science, everything, I was totally worried about the education. So I had to home tuition her. I used to get the books from my friends in India or online books, and I used to home tuition her. But that was very hectic for me. It was very stressful because it is very difficult to make the kids sit in a place and listen to us, because being a mom and a teacher is very difficult. Then after I got my second baby, she's just 1 year old, I didn't have time to spend with my daughter. So I was like completely stressed how I'm going to take care of her education. I started feeling guilty that I'm not doing the best for my kids. Only then I came across this KTN online school, and it is really a stress relief for me. They are really my stress busters, because after the start of this KTN online school, she's having regular classes from Monday to Friday, and from Monday to Friday in her regular classes she's following the Indian syllabus. And the school started in December 2019, and it's been just 6 or 7 months. But by now, English, Tamil, Maths, everything has improved. I am very thankful to the KTN online school. Without it, I'm not sure what would have happened to me. I would have been totally stressed out. I would like to thank her teachers, Yutika teacher, her maths teacher. She's doing a wonderful job. She's spending so much of time in making revision notes and taking the chapters, revising the chapters, and checking the homework, because teaching maths online is not that easy. The most difficult subject that could be taught in online is maths, because languages can be taught easily online, but maths need personal guidance. But still, Yutika teacher is doing a very wonderful job. She's spending lots of time for the kids, for helping the kids with maths. I really thank her with my whole heart. And not only education, now I was also happy to see my daughter doing Bharatanatyam, because I always want my daughter to learn Bharatanatyam. But being in Korea, that was not possible. But now every Saturday she is practicing dance. I would like to thank Vidya teacher for helping her with it. Whoever has initiated this, organized this, I'm very thankful to you, and to the admin, particularly Shanu sir. Thank you very much for helping us, guiding us, and making my life happy after the start of KTN online school. I wish and I pray that this KTN online school reaches heights and bring in lots of successful students. Thank you.
Hi, this is Anika and Nidhi's mother here. Anika is in grade 4 and Nidhi is in grade 2. Both my kids take Hindi classes in KTN Digital School. They attend Miss Amita and Miss Neha teachers' classes. Initially, both my kids were not able to read or write Hindi. Now that after taking the classes, they have improved a lot. They can read basic simple words, and they can write basic simple words, and also they do understand couple of Hindi words and sentences, and I'm very happy with the kind of a progress I've seen in them. I would like to thank the coordinators initially for starting such a beautiful initiative for the kids in Korea. And at the same time, I would also like to thank all the teachers who have taken out time for teaching kids here in Korea. It's a great initiative, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the coordinators once again, for all the hard work you guys are doing or putting in. Thank you so much. Thank you, teachers.
Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Krishnaveni, mom of Adya Samhita grade 2. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of this team KTN Digital School. Apart from Adya, as a parent I am so much worried and stressed about her education. But after this joining into this KTN school, I am no more stress and no more worries. I am so happy about her school. Coming to Adya, she is very excited and very happy to attend each and every class daily. She is very happy to attend the classes and she loves all the teachers. And before she joining into this school, KTN school, she can't even write and read perfectly all the three languages. But after joining into this school, she can perfectly read and write all the three languages, and she is very confident in mathematics too. She is very confident now. She can read perfectly each the Hindi, Telugu, English, and maths. She is very confident in all the four subjects. This is the main and important difference I have found in her before the school and after the joining into the school. This is the main difference I have found in her. She is very confident in all the subjects. We are feeling like attending the regular school. I would like to thank one more time each and every member of this team, especially the teachers. Kavi teacher who is teaching English, Yutika teacher who is teaching maths, Karan Amita teacher who is teaching Hindi, and Hima teacher who is teaching her Telugu. All the teachers are very patient and lovable towards all the students. A big thanks to all the team. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hello everyone, this is Koti Vemala. I am teaching EVS class grade 3. I would like to thank coordinators to initiate online digital school, and special thanks to kids and parents to cooperate every classes, and I am very happy to teach from beginning onwards and near future also. I will do my level best. Kids are very active. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening. This is Shankar, Shanmita's father. She was studying a third grade in the KTN Digital School. I am very happy to say thank you to teachers and then KTN admin team for planning and then execution and then the way they are approaching to the kids and teachers, and performance of KTN was extraordinary. And then the way you are maintaining the regulations and then rules, and then how to keep the classes and every time is doing a really excellent job. And as I can say, my kid was doing very good job, and I'm very satisfied with my kid performance, because she cannot speak and read even Hindi and Telugu language, as she is from Andhra. We as a parents is a Telugu, even though we cannot able to teach her in a proper way, but the way teachers is explaining their skills to learn better and better and better to the kids. So my kid was really feel very happy, because she is now reading and then writing and then doing good job, especially Hindi and Telugu language. At the same time, mathematical skills also, it is very important to her. Actually, as a parent, we are worrying about her mathematical skills. So now, because of KTN, so this and all is happening. Actually, it is I can say in Korea, as a parent, I know that there many families are left from the Korea because of kids education. If actually I'm very satisfied with the KTN digital school. Because of that, I am very happy to be stay in the Korea, because KTN is maintaining very good curriculum, and it is almost similar to the international schools, and the standards also it was really excellent. Because additionally you are giving the extra curricular activities like a dance and then singing, some dance skills. At the same time, actually it was very good for her to improve her skills, even though it is a additionally additionally as a part of learning lessons. Additionally, she is learning even dance skills. Actually, it was a very happy as a parent because all it was happening because of KTN. So I'm really very happy to be very happy my kid performance because initially she was not able to speak Hindi and Telugu and other languages, but she was learning. Now she is reading. And main advantage of KTN Digital School is teachers is interacting with the students in the online. It was very excellent because every time they are follow up and then asking questions and get the answers from the kids. The way they approaching the teachers to the kid, it was extraordinary. And then as a parent, when I see the classes, actually teachers efforts was really amazing. They're putting their best efforts to actually without it is free education, they're putting much efforts to give such education to the kids is really appreciated for the kid for the teachers. I'm very happy the teachers performance. Though I am an employee, I understand the pain of teachers, how they are preparing, how they are scheduling before the classes, and the way they are delivering the teaching skills to the kids. And they're really good. And even the finishing classes, again they're repeating the classes. And I seen science teacher is preparing separate slides other than the lessons. And even though math teachers, they're explaining, they're putting much efforts, very hard work. Actually really feel very happy to see all these KTN activities. And I'm really very happy the performance of KTN. And at the same time my kid also has changed a lot. She is practically she is very good interacting with the teachers. At the same time she also analyzing skills has improved, and speaking skills is improved, reading skills is improved. And she was doing better job. She also mainly I can say she is learning different languages. And the same time mathematical skills is also improved. And additional curricular activities such as a dance, actually she is learning because all this is happening because of KTN. So I'm really thankful to the KTN admin team and teachers also. Thank you very much. And also I can say that KTN was maintaining is almost similar as that of the international schools. Really it was a good to as a parent. And I'm really very thankful to the KTN admin team. I wish KTN team can produce and maintain the same standards in the future too. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.